Sam Scientific Study Session number 4. Okay, back up. Alright, today I will be talking about genetically engineering animals, and later on in the video my partner, Katy, will be talking about genetically modifying plants. Okay, so animals, also known as GE for genetically engineering, is when you move genes from one animal, such as fur color, any desirable trait that you want to express, into another animal using recombinant DNA technology. Okay, this is mainly used on farm animals, and it is tested on smaller, animals that produce rapidly, such as mice and fish. This can be used to show traits that, people want to see, such as fur color, anything along that line. Also cloning, and you can turn animals glow in the dark under a black light or in the dark. Okay. Process. Scientists, they would take a chromosome that has a desirable trait that they want, such as disease immunity, any kind of fur color, all that stuff, and they would split it from the chromosome, take that gene using a special enzyme, and then they would take another, alright, let's say the egg from an example would be a sheep. They would put that gene into another chromosome of that egg, insert it into a fertile, mother sheep, so she can get pregnant. And when that zygote develops and matures into an animal, either young or adult, it will express that trait. Okay. The pros. Many people are for it, and many people are also against it. The benefits and advantages. Any hereditary diseases can be found and possibly be stopped before it develops into a large problem. Genes can be inserted that provide disease immunity against viruses, any kind of diseases in the animal, so it won't have to suffer through its life. Animals can literally be tailored to express any desirable trait or characteristic that you would want, and pretty much manipulate it anyway. It also creates more diversity in the gene pool, which scientists say is good. And that's about it for the pros. There's many more, too many to name. Alright, the bad side. A lot of people on the bad side say it's morally incorrect to mess with nature and its organisms. And science can have unknown, unpredictable, harmful, or disastrous, stop laughing at me, disastrous, consequences on the animal or its species. It can die at birth, or it can just go horribly wrong and be all defected. And that's pretty much it on genetically engineering animals. I'm going to pass this off to my partner, Katy, who's going to be talking about genetically modifying plants.
This was Sam Scientific Study Session.